welcome to Dr. Didi's Discover Science. Can you walk on water? I can't. You can't. I can swim. I can float on water, but I can't walk on water. But a water strider can walk on water. How does a water strider walk on water? Let's find out. Discover Science. Today's materials: straws, a picture, a square sponge, round sponges, tape, double-sided tape, a basin, and water. Let's do it! So we have all our materials. Are you ready to get started? First, get your yellow sponge and take your straws. Now we have 4 straws, and each one is going to go into the little corners. Now, one thing to remember is each straw has a bendy side and a long side. Use the long side to go into the sponge, and the bendy side stays straight. Okay? So this side, and this side. Very easy. So when you're done, it should look like an X, okay? Like this. All right. Now, we're going to take our double-sided tape that looks like this, pull off one side, and then pull the sticker off. Oops! Oh, where's the sticker? There it is. And then put it on one side of the yellow sponge. Okay? And then take your picture and put it on the sticker. So now you should have, oops, just put it back on, no problem. One side that looks like this, and one side that looks like, hello, stay there. That looks like this, okay? Now we're going to, now we're going to next take the legs and fold them up like this. Fold your legs, okay, and fold your legs. So after you fold your legs, it should look like this, like it's kind of standing, right? Fold a little more. Okay, there we go. Phew. All right, now we're going to flip this back over, and we have our 4 sponges. If you look at the sponges, one side has a hole. We're going to put the legs in the hole, like this. Okay, like this. And I'm going to use these stickers to hold the legs in place, okay, so they don't fall out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. Bloopers! Okay, so now I have a bigger basin, okay, and I'm going to put our water strider into the water. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All our feet are ready. Okay, and ta-da! Ah, he's floating on the water. Woo! Fantastic! Think why. So in our experiment, our water strider floated on water, but how? The reason is because of surface tension. Surface tension is when water is pulled from the surface and tries to keep the surface as small as possible. In other words, because the force of the pressing water is weaker than the force of the water droplets to stick together. Let me show you an example. I'm going to pour some water into this cup. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Did you see that? There's a little bit more than a full cup. You can see there's almost a round bubble. And if I actually knock it over, see, it overflows. But before it overflows, this surface tension is what keeps the water in the cup, even though I overflowed the cup. Pretty interesting, right? Another example is if you wake up early in the morning and go outside and look at some leaves, you may see water droplets on the leaves. This is another example of surface tension.